Stop trying to use a hole saw to cut larger holes in sheet metal. Get one of these instead. What's going on, guys? My name's Bill and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesday, I like to bring you guys a tool that I've been using in my videos or that I've just been using on different projects in and around my garage. Now, when it comes to cutting larger holes in sheet metal, I think the tool that everybody pretty much grabs is just a hole saw set. You know, they come in different sizes and they work for cutting holes in sheet metal, but a lot of times you'll end up kind of get an oblong hole. Sometimes, like what happened here, is the bit begins to kind of walk, especially if it's like a dull hole saw, which then gives you kind of like an oblong hole. A lot of times it'll give you a rough opening, and honestly, sometimes it just takes a while to get that hole cut. They're not always the best option. That's where a hydraulic punch set comes in. This one happens to be from Harbor Freight, but there's a bunch of them out there. I'll leave some links down below. And these things are great at cutting holes quickly in sheet metal. I used this one here when I built the custom dash in my Dodge D100 shop truck project. I'll leave a link to that up here if you want to kind of see that. But what these do is they have this, the actual hydraulic part here and the pump, and then they come with a bunch of different size cutters. I'm going to grab the largest one here. This one is a 2 3/8. So all you have to do is drill a hole large enough to fit this shaft through, which is a lot easier. You use a step bit and it just drills a lot faster, and you don't have to worry about getting that hole clean as long as it's right where you want it. Then what you do is you take your actual hydraulic setup, helps if I actually put it together the right way. You slide the 1/2 over the shaft, then you slide your piece over that, and then the actual cutting bit here, the cutting half, just threads down. Once you get that thread into place, then you can take your hydraulic hose and attach it to the hydraulic press, I guess it would be, or the part that actually does the work. Wouldn't know what to call it really. Then you just make sure your valve is closed and you just crank the handle. You can hear it cutting already. And there you go. Perfectly clean, perfectly round hole. Doesn't distort your sheet metal, just makes a nice, clean, quick hole. Now you're ready for a gauge, a dimple die. Who knows? Whatever reason you might have to need holes in sheet metal, these hydraulic punches are the tool to have. Like I said, and as you saw, they make quick work. All you gotta do is drill a few smaller holes and then just take your punch and you let the pressure off. It lets the pressure off, and you just unscrew the top or unscrew the cutting bit. Then you can pop the plug out of there if you want to, and then move right to your next hole and you're ready to go. Quick, easy, clean holes. So much better than just a hole saw. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.